Guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you can hear yelling in the background, it's a Saturday. That's my son. Today we're gonna do a BOXYCHARM. It is my BOXYCHARM base. As you already saw, my BOXYCHARM premium's up. It's a hot mess. So we're gonna dive into this and hope this is gonna be just a tad better because it was rough. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch that after this. All right, guys, so right on top, this is the box open. Right on top, we have the BOXYCHARM invite only. Same thing as it said before. It's going to tell you when our BOXYCHARM like premium, or I'm sorry, pop-ups, they used to call it. Now these sales are going on. So the first thing, we'll just go in order. The first thing is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset Eyeshadows and Pressed Pigments. I actually like Violet Voss. And I don't have this palette. I do have quite a few others that I enjoy that are hers. So this, I'm sorry, this is the component. Very pretty outside. I expect it to be purples and nudes and pinks, I guess. Okay, so this is the Violet Voss. And this is the shadow. So it looks like we have, we have a broken one. All right, so I was going to say it looks like we have dark. It's hard because I want to take this off, but now at this point, gotta be careful. So we have a dark brown, we have like a more reddish brown, a gold, some salmon's a little darker, a medium brown. This purple has like blue glitter reflex in it. I don't know if we can see from this angle. It has that beautiful broken gold, a light gold, I'm sorry, light nude. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. And then this purple matte as well. If we hold it back here, we can see a little bit better. Okay, it's not falling out. It's okay. We got this. All right, guys. So, as for swatching, I just got to be really careful of that. It's pretty. It's a shame that color is really pretty and it's down. So that is actually that color. And then we're going to take that shiny purple. We'll take a matte pink and then that matte purple. And the rest we'll just kind of leave. Those are some colors that really stuck out to me. And then the broken one here. So that broken one, that's really pretty. That'd be a beautiful highlight. Here is that shimmery purple with the blue tones. That salmony color. Oh, we're patching the house. Okay. All right. Well, the colors are pretty. Don't know how the shadow is going to be, but that purple is beautiful. So is that gold. Really pretty colors. Don't know how they're actually gonna be, but you know, worth a try to actually try and do. Guys, where were we? I got a phone call. I had to take it real quick. Okay, so yeah, Violet Voss palette. She was broken. She's got some dope metallics in there. I just took it off, but the colors are pretty, and we will see what it looks like when we can actually play with it. That is $37. And then the next thing I have in here is the wow, my box. Well, I mean, like they didn't put the normal lining that they usually put in there. Like this little piece of paper isn't going to do anything. That's not going to stop anything. So this clearly got stepped on or something because my box is a little bit messed up, but then these boxes are like really messed up. So this is $40. This is a goat's milk moisturizing cleanser. Now I have the moisturizer to this already and I do like it. It is really thick. So I have dry skin, so for someone with dry skin it is perfect. So this just says it's a creamy moisturizing cleanser enriched with smoothing goat milk, natural milk peptides, and nourishing Mancua honey, gently removing impurities, oil, makeup without stripping any essential stripping the skin of its essential moisture. It is sulfate free. Formula cushions as it cleanses, leaving skin smooth and healthy looking. So I believe, choose this. I think when I got in, I didn't like the choices, or there like wasn't many good choices left. I forget what happened. Jeez, this too. So this is original tubing mascara. This is the Blink mascara. It is in black. I just picked the next thing out. This wasn't even in order, sorry. So this is $26. This is Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. It is a clean vegan formula that gives you ultra long wearing build-up false lash effect with semi-matte finish. So I actually really like the Blink primer. It's a black primer, so I'm hoping that this is as good as that, because there were days that I didn't have mascara and I would just use that as my mascara. So as you can hear, I'm still recovering. Still. So that is, Blink Mascara is $26. The next thing I see in here, which is slightly opened, I don't know if you guys can see that, is the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tanning Serum. This is $50, $49 to be exact, and it says apply 4 to 12 drops directly to the skin, massaging in circular motion, avoiding the eye area. Additional drops will increase depth and color. Reapply as needed. So this, it looks like a serum that says anti-aging benefits packed with nutrition and superfood ingredients. It is a ultra nourishing, gives you an ultra nourishing radiant glow with a boost of hydration to the skin. So this actually comes at a perfect time because I'm going to start to get lighter. And this is the bottle. It's a Luxe glass bottle with a tube. I am excited to try that, and we'll let you know how it goes, since my skin usually is always lighter on the face, as for most people, because of sunscreen. But then on top of it, if you use self tanner, you typically just don't put it on your face. So, you know, there's that. But this is the next, I'm sorry, did I say, yeah, I said that was how much it was. This is by M. Greengrass. This is the Cardamom Lavender Foaming Body Scrub. There are little granules inside there, and it says it is a sexy, rich luxe and the softest of wooden notes blended with cardamom, caffeine. I'm thinking of caffeine, which I severely need, clearly. Coffee, lavender, and bergamot envelope scents. Like fine cashmere wrap, it is a rejuvenating 2-in-1 lightly foaming gel-based scrub that exfoliates, cleanses, and hydrates dry skin, revealing soother, softer, brighter looking skin. Oh my goodness, this was rough. I am so sorry. I haven't had any caffeine. I am tired. It's already been a long day. It's about to be a longer day. And I'm still not feeling well. So there's that. But yeah, so this box, I actually think, when I think back of it, is actually a really good box considering what I have been getting in base box and premium. It's better than my premium box as well. I like Blink's, like I said, I like Blink's primer, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited to have something a little bit different with skincare. It's skincare with a self tanner. Nice. We don't get body washes all that often. We usually get it in Luxe if we do, and I don't love it, but I don't hate it, and it's something new to try. I picked the Kate Somersville Goat Milk Cleanser, and then this was a nice added touch, although I don't know how it's going to work because it looks patchy and it is broken, but it's still a nice touch to have a palette in for $25, now $27, I don't know at this point, dollars. It is a good box, and I'd say out of the boxes, it is one of the better ones that we've seen. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think that the base box is something that I'll be keeping, although premium, I don't know, not so much. Go check out that unboxing. Tell me what you think. Did you get it? Did you like it? Is a good one. But more so, did you get box? Do you get box? Do you get the base box? Do you like it? What did you think of this one? I actually liked it. So let me know. Did you like it? Did you get one? Did you get the same stuff? Are we box twins? Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon with the next one. Sending you guys all light and love on this beautiful weekend. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.